Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This week we're in sunny Brighton.
Join us on this week's slightly different adventure as we stealth camp along the Brighton seafront and show you why we love this city so much. If you like this kind of content, then please hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Okay, so as you've probably noticed, it's just us two today. The kids are with my mum and dad, so with their grandparents, and I'm sure they're having a great time. And yeah, it's quite a special place for us here in Brighton actually, because many years ago it was actually the first place we came to on like a little holiday together, wasn't it?
Yeah. Don't know what year that would have been.
No, probably like 2006.
I think
2006 or 2007, we've lost track. But yeah, it was a long time ago. And we've just always loved it here, haven't we? It's just...
yeah, I think it helped that year. It was like a heat wave when we came, wasn't it?
Yeah, we've been hit by the great British weather again today.
It's raining!
And we've parked, and I've just paid for 24 hours parking along Madeira Drive, £11.90 for 24 hours. There's quite a lot of other camper vans and stuff along here, so hopefully it'll be alright.
Yeah, but we're quite away. We couldn't get anything close, could we? So we had to drive quite a way. It's probably quite a walk. But
yeah, according to Google, it's 15 minutes. We can do that. It's no problem. But yeah, we just wanted to also just give a bit of a backstory on us, really, because it's kind of almost a bit sentimental coming back to Brighton. But yeah, like I say, it was like the first trip that we had together, and then shortly after that, we used to book a lot of last minute cheap flights, didn't we, around Europe, and
pound flights.
Yeah, £1 flights and stuff back in the day.
They do those still?
Maybe, I don't know, but yeah, we used to get the old Ryanair, just take hand luggage and just go to somewhere random in Europe for a weekend. So we did that, and then a game changer for us is we actually had a friend that moved over to China, and we went to visit, and we went for 2 weeks, and we absolutely loved it there. It was just such a
culture shock.
Yeah, it was just, it's mad. And
that would have been like what, 2009 maybe?
Yeah, about that sort of time. So anyway, we went to China for 2 weeks and then came back, and we thought, let's just save up and go travelling.
So we saved up for about a year.
Yeah, and then we did the whole backpacking thing, didn't we? So we did 3 months around China, and probably should have started the YouTube channel then, really, because we did some really interesting stuff. We went all around China. We went to Tibet, and then we went to Hong Kong and Vietnam and Thailand, and then we...
Cambodia.
Oh yeah, Cambodia. And then we flew to New Zealand, where we both managed to get jobs, and we lived there for pretty much bang on a year in Auckland. We had a little apartment in the city, and that was really cool. But unfortunately, due to the visas that we're on, we had to come back to the UK, even though we wanted to stay. And originally the plan was to, we always talked about moving down here, but that never happened, and I don't think it ever will now. But yeah, we still love it down here. So yeah, that's a little bit about us. Don't want to sort of bore you with our life story again, but but yeah, we're going to we've just got like a little lunch. We were going to have it on the beach, but it's too cold and it's a bit grim and it keeps raining, so we're just going to have some lunch, and then we're going to head into town, and then we've got some fun stuff planned for later.
Cool.
So yeah, see you there.
So I'm trying to guess what this special activity is that Lee's booked. Apparently it's for 4:30. It's currently about 2ish, so we've just had some lunch, which makes me think it's not
food.
And we've booked a meal for afterwards.
It's just, I'm not going to tell you what it is.
Give me a clue.
I'm not going to give you any clues. The only clue is that I've stashed something in this van that you haven't found yet, that we have to smuggle in to whatever it is we're doing.
What?
So it's going to be totally different to anything we've ever done, and we'll try and film a little bit of it, but I don't know if any of you guys could guess what it is in Brighton, where you have to smuggle something in. But
smuggle something in?
Yeah, it's just a rare thing for us. We're just having a great time, because we don't get many days like this, do we, where we're kid free.
No.
Yeah, and yeah, it's fun to do every now and then. As much as we love taking the kids away with us, and we really do, that's like the best thing for us, is going away as a family. But
yeah, it does feel weird about them, but there's also so much more space in this van.
Yeah, a T6 is definitely more suited for a couple than it is a family of 4. But anyway, yeah, we're going to...
we've just got to keep guessing.
You're going to have to keep guessing. We're probably going to walk into town now and have a little look around the lanes and stuff like that, I think. So, yeah, we'll show you some of that too. Any guesses as to where we're going yet?
No, I just hope it's inside because...
It definitely is.
Yes.
Let's just say you're going to be locked up.
What?
You figured it out yet?
So far I've got Alcotraz and we've got a bottle of something. So either we're going to be drinking in orange prisoner suits. I don't know.
Yeah, something like that.
And it's so windy. We're just waiting to go in, whatever this is.
Alcotraz is an immersive theatre experience where you smuggle in a bottle of spirits of your choice and a mixologist makes the most delicious cocktails with it. It is set in an Alcatraz prison and has hilarious dialogue between the characters, played by actors who remain in role throughout. Just want to point out this isn't a sponsored promotion. This is something we paid for and really enjoyed and recommend, so we're sharing it with you guys.
Amen, Warden.
Can I get a call? Bless America.
Bless America.
Let me introduce you to my dogs on duty. My number 1, we have Officer Johnson.
This is crazy.
I got a 207. They prefer the first one.
Yeah, it really is crazy.
We're going to be pretty drunk at the end.
Alcotraz Penitentiary. I'm going to recall 10 minutes ago I came out here. Shut up, Charlotte. Charlotte.
Yes, Charlotte.
Yes, Charlotte. I came out here 10 minutes ago. Shut the hell up.
So what do you think to Alcatraz?
So good.
It was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was way better than what I thought it would be.
Yeah, it was awesome. So glad we did that, and yeah, it was just really funny as well. So yeah, we'll definitely leave the link for that in the description if you want to check it out yourselves. I think they've got it in other places as well, not just Brighton. But anyway, I think we're going to, before we go for some dinner,
Go and get a drink.
go and get more drink. so we're just going for a meal now at a Peruvian restaurant, aren't we?
Yep.
Yeah, so let's go and check that out. Oh my god. These are better than ones in Madrid. Definitely.
Yeah.
Way better. Because the ones in Madrid didn't have cinnamon on. Okay. These are better. So yeah, the Peruvian restaurant, Cusicoy, really good. Definitely leave the link in the description for that one, because if you're in Brighton, you've got to go there. Ceviche was just unbelievable.
And the ribs, beautiful.
Yeah, really good restaurant. So yeah, 100% recommend that. So we're just going to have a little walk along the pier now.
A windy walk?
A very windy walk, very blustery. I think we're done with drinking though, aren't we?
We've had about 10 cocktails.
Yeah, maybe. But yeah, we're just gonna like maybe have a little walk along the pier and then we'll let you know what we do. Okay, so we've had a really wonderful evening, going for the Alcotraz and then the Peruvian restaurant as well. It's really good. Spent a bit of money on the pier, but not much. Spent it very quickly, and then we had a bit of drama, didn't we?
Yeah, I suddenly went, where's my backpack? And then you were like, oh, I don't know. So then you had to run back to the restaurant and then the bar we were at before.
Yeah, and luckily it was there, so I managed to get it. Literally as I walked through the door, somebody was handing it into the bar, so yeah, what a relief. So it's all's well and
had my wallet in and all my makeup,
nothing's
hairbrush.
been stolen. We're all good. It's all fine. But yeah, we're just going to call it quits, I think, today. We've had a really good day and a really good evening as well. So we're just going to head back to the van. So yeah. Okay, so morning from Madeira Drive in Brighton. Really quiet here last night, wasn't it?
Yeah, really quiet.
Didn't hear anything, didn't get disturbed, barely any cars went past.
I only got disturbed by you.
Yeah, we forgot to bring our pillows, and I need a pillow. I can't sleep without a pillow. So yeah, if you are coming to Brighton, this is definitely a decent option. I think there's a camping and caravan club or a caravan and motorhome club site. Yeah, there is. Yeah, I've looked at it before. I think it's about 70 quid a night if you're not a member. So
Well, this was £11.
£11. You can't argue with that, can you?
No, a view of the sea out the window.
Yeah.
Right
Sea
on the
view.
beach. It just meant we could do more yesterday, didn't it?
Yeah, so it's been perfect for us. So we're going to, we're just having a coffee now, we'll drink that, and we'll have a wander into town and get some breakfast, I think, won't we?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, catch you in a bit. much nicer day in Brighton today. Not as windy.
Nope.
Still cloudy though. Just having a little walk along the beach into the town, or into the city. But yeah, it's a really decent night actually parking along there.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah, I mean obviously if we were with the kids we'd probably go for a campsite, but if it's just the two of us, you know, it felt absolutely fine parking there last night, didn't it?
Yeah, loads of other vans parked there.
Yeah.
Felt really safe, really quiet,
Yeah.
good sleep.
Yeah.
And
Really
£11, so
Yeah, exactly.
how can you complain?
You can't really, can you? But yeah, do you guys do that? Do you ever just park up at the side of a road or in a car park or whatever, or do you just stick to campsites and stuff? Let us know.
We then took a gentle stroll around the lanes, calling in at a few shops and enjoying the cool Brighton Sunday vibes. Eventually, we found a cafe which was serving delicious coffees. Not only that, but one of the best breakfasts we have had in a long time. Definitely beats trying to rustle something up in the van. The cafe is called Lost in the Lanes, and honestly, it was brilliant. If you're in Brighton, definitely check it out. It does get busy though, so might be worth calling ahead.
That was absolutely top tier, wasn't it? In there?
Yeah, delicious.
Yeah, Lost in the Lanes. If you're in Brighton, you want some decent breakfast, and I think they do like evening meals and stuff as well.
I think that was the best. I can't even say it.
Eggs Benedict.
Yeah.
It was good. But yeah, anyway, we're just going to mooch around a few shops now.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just heading back to the van now. So hopefully it'll still be there.
And apologies, looks like the audio didn't work for our outro, but thank you so much for watching if you've got this far. Let us know if you'd like to see more videos like this. We absolutely love Brighton and can't wait to come back again, so making this video has been really fun for us. Hope you've enjoyed it too. If you have, then it'd mean the world to us if you could drop us a like and hit the subscribe button too if you haven't already. So until the next one, stay well and we'll see you soon.